Do you want to know how to make a superimposed bar chart using GraphPad Prism? You came to the right place. Welcome to Bioinfo Tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to create stacked bar graphs superimposed on other data using GraphPad Prism. This technique is great for visualizing complex datasets and presenting clear comparisons. Let's start with your dataset. Make sure your data is organized correctly. For a stacked bar graph, each component of the stack should be in separate columns, while the rows represent different groups or conditions. Now click on Create a new graph and choose Bar Graph. Select the Stacked Bars option and hit Create. Your stacked bar graph will automatically appear based on your dataset. Now, to superimpose the bars, double-click on the graph and select the datasets on Graph tab. Then, in the relation of selected data set with previous one, select Superimposed instead of Stacked. Once you've added the overlay data, click on Format Graphs to adjust the style. You can use dots, lines, or error bars to represent your overlay data. Play with the colors and transparency to ensure both datasets are clear. When your graph looks perfect, click Export to save it as a high-resolution image or PDF for presentations or publications. And that's it. You've created a stunning superimposed stacked bar graph with GraphPad Prism. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, share and subscribe to Bioinfo Tips for more practical guides. See you in the next video.